So you want a quick and easy way to check your battery status of a laptop using Linux? Well, you came to the right place. So easy enough. You just use the uPower utility to do that. And if you don't have it installed, just do it. The NF install, the usual stuff, or apt-get, whatever your package manager is. And then you enumerate your battery power devices, okay? You get some list. This is my list. Doesn't mean that it's going to be exactly the same for you, but you get a list. This is the current inline power, and this is the current battery status. Maybe these are the two ones that you are most interested in, okay? To get more details, you just use uPower -I and the full path for the device, in this case the inline power, or most importantly, that this was probably what brought you to this video, the battery status. So you get all the information, which is the name, the vendor, serial numbers, model numbers, when it was last checked, if it's charging, if it's not charging, the levels, and all of that good stuff. That it's most likely what brought you here. Also, I highly advise you to further explore the uPower utility. It can do much more for you in terms of this context. But uPower, enumerate uPower -I, specifically this guy here, which matches my number, your number, or your reference path may be slightly different. But this is mine, and it shows us the battery status, if it's charging, if it's not charging, the maximum power, the current power, and all of that good stuff. Hope this helps. Like, subscribe, and hype, it will help, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys. Then for the next quickie and other videos.